Are you trying to raise money for your real estate deal and you're just not sure what to do? You're just not sure how you can do this, what you can say, what you can't say. Or maybe you're new to the real estate game and you know you're going to have to raise capital at some point and you're not sure how to go about doing it. If that describes you, then you need to come to our capital raising workshop, the first capital raising workshop we have ever done. It's going to be held Saturday, March 8th and Sunday, March 9th. It is live and it's going to be virtual, no travel costs and no disruptions to your schedule. Here's how we're going to do this workshop. On Saturday, March 8th from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., we're going to, first of all, start off by showing you what you can do, what you can't do, and some of the rules around raising capital. Then we're going to walk you through the exact same process that we use here at KRI. Our team has raised more than $200 million from investors just like you. We know how to do this. We have been very, very successful doing it, and we are going to show you exactly what we do. So we're going to walk you through how we conduct our webinars. We'll give you templates for how to do the webinars. We're going to walk you through how we have our initial investor meetings, how we make sure that we have alignment between our investors' objectives and our objectives. Then we're going to walk you through how to deal with their concerns, how to pitch your deal, how to do it in a way that makes sense to them, and make sure that you and they are on the same page so you have a successful investor relationship. Then here's the goal. Day 2, this is where this workshop is going to be different than any other workshop you will ever come to. And that is day 2, we're going to break out into small groups and we're going to help you develop your own word track, how you figure out how to pitch your deal. Day 2 is going to be extremely interactive. So here's the deal. Click the link. The cost for the event is only $14.97. It is live. You will get group coaching in small groups. This is not going to be a hundreds and hundreds of people event. You're going to definitely get some real attention in this event. Saturday, March 8th, Sunday, March 9th, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. The cost is only $14.97. Click the link. Let's get registered. Can't wait to see you on our webinar.